Hey guys, welcome back to Travels with Brad, and today we are at the same old Picturesque, our favourite beach, and for good reason. You may remember this from such vlogs as the perfect beach. But yeah, we're back. We're camping this time, combining the beach from the first vlog and camping from the second one. It should be a good one. The plan for the moment is to get some lunch, try not to spend my entire life savings on a burger. Let's see what happens. The weather here is lovely. We were really worried that it was going to be really cloudy like it is back in Saint-Denis, but it's actually absolutely gorgeous. Sun's shining, sky's blue, probably late 20s temperature wise. Happy days. So I'll catch you up with you guys later. Okay, so you know, about 2 minutes ago I said we're planning on camping here at the beach overnight. Well, we've come into a bit of a problem. That problem being, primarily, that. We can't camp. So, just carry on. It's fine, we'll figure something out. It actually says no tents. So we could just sleep under the sun. Well, there we go, fine then. Happy days. If Jess says it's right, say hi. Jess says it's fine, therefore it's fine. Yeah, what are you saying, Rob? Huh? What are you saying about camping? Should we do it? Go for it. Go for it. Yeah. Oh, God! Oh. Here we are. Alright, hi guys. So it's a bit later now. I'm a bit too lazy to get up. So we just watched an amazing sunset. We went in the sea a bit. I'll probably try and put some of Rob's footage in before this, so if you've seen that then you're lucky you got this man here to thank. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, I think the plan now is we want to put the tent up, but we don't want to get caught because obviously not allowed to camp here, so we're going to try and wait till the sun's probably gone down and it's dark. This is the sunset at the moment, by the way. It's quite spectacular, a bit more spectacular than my ugly mug. But yeah, so we'll try and put the tent up, go and get some food. I'll probably do the classic vlogger thing of showing you what I eat. So yeah, we'll see. But I will catch up with you later when something much more interesting is happening. Alright, Savaloys, so I have got an absolute combo here. Robbo's gone for the ice cream. Nice. Good. And a dodo. Classic. Jess has gone for a sip of Blue Lagoon. €6 for that absolute masterpiece of a rip-off. And for about the same price, for €1 more than that. I mean, look how much you got there. Like, that's like... I can't even put into words how little that is. For the same price, I've got a caramel and what is it? Milk and chocolate ice cream flavour milkshake, €4.50, and a dodo, €2. €6.50. Wait, no, that's not right. €3. Happy Brad? Happy Rob? Happy Rob? Presumably Jess is happy for alcohol, who wouldn't be? But yeah, I will definitely be enjoying these. Hey dude. Hey.
I mean, it might be the case that someone actually owns me.
Yeah, exactly.
It might just be roaming around.
Maybe the restaurant owners. Such a good boy. Or girl. Couldn't tell you, boy or girl?
It's almost a boy vibe to me.
Boy kind of vibe.
Boy vibe, yeah.
That's fair enough. Alright, homies and broskies, it's 9:30? Yeah. 9:30. It's 9:30. We're heading on down to the beach. We're going to try and set up ourselves. We just had a nice beer and cocktail and all the rest of it, which I've probably seen. Alright, so we decided that instead of risking getting caught, we're going to hike on down the beach for like 10 minutes or so and go past where all the lights are and camp in the dark. It sounds pretty scary to me, but it should be fine. Hey, there we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright guys, so we are... God, that's bright. Okay, so we are currently camping. We set up camp. This is our... Sorry, Jess. Oh my God. Okay, so Jess is getting changed. Right, okay. So Jess is getting changed. Yeah, God, it's so bright. We just set up camp. It's lovely out here. Like, oh my God, I don't know if you guys can see. You probably can't see it at all. No, you can't see. But the moon is so bright. Literally, it's given like you can't see again a shadow. But anyway, either way, the moon's really bright. It's great. We're so secluded. We're in a little like. Jess, are you decent?
Yeah, decent.
Cool. Watch out, Rob. Yeah, so we're basically in this like. You can't even just say hi, Rob. Hello. Yeah, you can't even see it. All right, morning all. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. It's just past 7:30 in the morning, but would you believe it? I mean, look at this. What a way to wake up. The beach is absolutely deserted. I think the plan today is to... What is the plan today? Oh yeah, the plan today is to go back to campus. Then we're going to try to tag on with the rest of the people going to Bassin-Bœuf, which is a waterfall. It might not, they might leave before we get there, depending on how long it takes us to get back. But 7:30 in the morning, we've got a bit of a head start, so I will let you guys know how we get on. So something exciting will happen today. Sorry I didn't vlog a lot last night. I was busy having a good time, actually enjoying myself at the beaches. It was really, really lovely. And it still is, to be honest. I think, well, the jet ski's now coming over, so that's good news. That means they might be clearing up the water of sharks. Which means you might be able to swim. So I might actually get to think about swimming. Yes, I will see you later. Morning all, for the second time. Rob, in his sleepless adventures, decided to venture up the cliff next to us. Very brave of him. And had a little fun time on top. So he decided to show us the route. Rob, you fancy telling everyone about it?
The top of the cliff. Not much else to say.
There you go, it's top of the cliff. I bet that makes you really excited, doesn't it? Thanks, Rob.
You asked for it.
That's true, I asked for it. Apparently it's a lovely viewpoint. Bit of a trek on the way up. I mean, look, we can see enough from here. Oi, Savaloys, after a solid 3-minute trek. I'm absolutely exhausted, my legs are killing me, but it was finally worth it. We've made it to the top. Have a look at this. Amazing. After all that, it's lovely. It's like not even 8 o'clock in the morning, the beach is pretty much deserted. It's so nice being up here, it's so calm. Yeah, it's lovely. Alright. 10 out of 10, we'll definitely climb again. Evening all, it's about 8:30 in the morning. We are off to get some omelettes. Happily days. Tents all packed up. All Gucci. I don't think what the hell we're doing. Yeah, we're literally going to go and get omelettes and orange juice. It's a shout, and I don't think you could really top off a beach camp any better than that, frankly. So I'll catch you guys, well, when I got my omelette, to be honest. Guys, here's something you'll probably never see in the UK. Now that is a very, very dead pufferfish. Alright, so you join us now, guys, no longer at the beach. We're currently at Saint-Denis bus station, which is, well, let's come back. But what your boy Brad has done, in typical style, following on from last week's list of messing up, I've lost our tent. Yeah, I had it on the bus, bumped on the shelf on the bus, got off the bus, walked about 100 metres, realised, oh, where's the tent? Ran back, looked at the windows of all the buses, and it's not that one, and I couldn't see it anywhere. So we've come to the main building now, asked if anyone's seen it, if they know where the bus is going or anything. Like, the bus has already left, it's already gone, so they're going to check when it gets there. But I mean, it's so annoying. All I had to do was just take them and that'll be fine. But here we are, another day, Another idiotic mistake. Evening all. So we've just been told by the lovely man at the bus stop that we can either wait till the bus comes back or come back at the end of the day at 8:15. So about an hour till it comes again. So we're going to go into town, get some ice cream, and then hopefully by the time we got some ice cream, happy days. And we'll have our tent back. If not, I'm about 30 quid out of pocket. But fingers crossed. Please watch your fingers. Fingers crossed. We'll be alright. Alright guys, so today is Sunday, it's the next day. What happened is I got back, and you know when you're just really tired from a trip, right? Like you have to unpack the car and unpack all your luggage. You're like, nah, I'm not doing any of that. I'm going straight to bed. Well, that was me. I got straight into bed. I was like, oh, just have like a quick sit down, you know, just like relax for a bit, and then I go out. And then, well, yeah, that didn't happen. So I do apologise. At the end of the day, I'm the one that missed out. So there we are. All right, morning all. It's currently the next day. So it seems to be the case that our plans never actually go to plan. So I don't want to promise too much for today, but the plan is to head on to a place called Cap Noir, which we were supposed to go to yesterday, but didn't end up going. I don't actually know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a mountain. Either way, I'm going to get the bus there in half an hour or so. We're going to hike up the mountain. We were going to stay and see the sunset, but I've got to be back from medical at 8:30 tomorrow, and you know, most other people don't want to actually camp, so it makes sense. So that's the plan. Onwards up the mountain. I'll keep you posted along the way, obviously. Then, yeah, tomorrow I've got my medical in the morning, but then we're going to the turtle sanctuary. So that'd be really nice, see some turtles and tortoises and other wildlife. I've already been, but it'd be nice to take you guys along. Yeah, so that's the plan. Onwards to Cap Noir today, then Saint-Denis for the turtle sanctuary tomorrow. So stay tuned, because this will actually be interesting. Guys, so we are at Sacré-Cœur. We're halfway there, but we just realised that it's going to take us like 4 hours to walk to the top of Cap Noir. So we're going to try and get a bus, but we left the others behind because they're waiting for Rhoda and we didn't want to wait another hour. So I think the boys are trying to figure it out at the moment, but we might try and get another bus up there, see what happens. I'll keep you posted as we go. But there's some mad views on the garden, I've just seen it. It's pretty good. Right, that's where we're going. That one there. That's Lausanne. So yeah, it's going to be a long old way. Alright, so would you believe it? Home slices, it's all gone wrong again. Basically the bus isn't coming for another 3 hours, so we had to change our plans. We're going to Rivière-des-Galets. Pretty stardust what it is, but I don't have an absolute clue where we're going. Either we're going somewhere interesting, right? There's a waterfall there, it's a river, something like that. Should be interesting. It's brilliant. I swear, every time we try and make a plan, it just gets absolutely thrown up in the air and torn to pieces. But at least it keeps it exciting. So we thought we got the wrong bus basically, but turned out we're fine. The guy was just like, yeah, no worries, I'll drop you off. He's got nothing better to do, and it's a bank holiday. So here we go. On the right bus. Happy days. Okay, so we're now. We just had the biggest mess up with the buses, man. We have no idea what's going on. It'd be pretty safe to say. So we just decided now to walk towards Rivière-des-Galets. We just got off the bus, supposedly at the stop, but it's going to be like another few kilometres at least. But we're embracing it, keeping spirits high-ish. Okay, so we found some water. This is the Rivière. So people are taking 4x4s through here. I think we got the wrong idea for walking. Alright, yeah, so you're probably aware by now, but the plan is to hire a 4x4. We don't know how much it is, we don't know where it's going, we don't know if we can drive it ourselves, we don't have a clue what's going on, but that's the plan. This has been such a turn of events. This is crazy, man. This is so reunion is. You just start out the day with a plan, A to B. And before you know it, we're at X, Y, Z. We don't have a clue what's going on. But it's an adventure, right? It's fun, it's unpredictable. Oh well, I hope you're enjoying it so far. Smash that like button. Also shout out to my little brother Zane. I see you watching this. My dude, #1 fan. So update number like bazillion. Ain't going well. We were gonna get over this up in a 4x4, but he turned up, and yeah. Long story short, we missed it basically. But that now means that we've got to wait for another one. And we don't know how long it's going to be. It could be half an hour, could be an hour. So, oh yeah, this could be a long day. Then we've got to worry about bus times as well. Oh, it's such a disaster. But the truck's just turned up. We've been waiting for like 2 hours now, so we're finally getting on. Waiting for these people to get off. And then finally, all this time, we'll finally be back on. I just got off the 4x4, heading towards the bus stand now. We've got like 2 hours to walk there, enjoy ourselves, walk back. €8 each way as well, so €16 we're paying for this, for the luxury of getting our backs absolutely crumbled into dust. So yeah, long day, but you know what, absolute adventure, so worth it in the end. Oi, Savaloys, we are getting pretty close to this waterfall now. Well, in theory. Apparently it's another 20 minutes away, but there are some that are closer than that, so we might have to stop off there. By the time we get there, we're going to have to turn around, so it's not looking great so far, but hey, at least we'll get to see a nice waterfall. It's breaking to you guys, but I don't think we're going to make the waterfall at this rate. We've got 8 minutes to make it there, and then walk back. So yeah, if you're watching this far, you know what to put below, guys. Eggs are life, you know how it goes. Or Abby, I see you watching. I believe that's what it is in Russian. I am entirely unaware. But yeah, if you like this so far, guys, whack a comment down below. Something. Yeah, it's nice to know that you guys are actually keeping up. Right, guys, as it is now, just gone 4. I feel like this might be the best waterfall that we get to see today. So I will show you it in all its splendour and glory. Here you go. Yeah, very sweet. Very sweet. I mean, you've got to look where we are as well. Jurassic Park comparisons have been made. Lord of the Rings comparisons have been made. This is insane, man. Making the most of this 4-day weekend, eh? So sorry I didn't get to an actual waterfall or Camp Noir or Megavlog. I mean, this is Megavlog to be fair, but not quite in all its glory. So probably head back now. Oh, collapse in bed and wake up nice and early tomorrow. I've got a medical tomorrow, and then on Wish to St. Louis, see some nice little turtles. I've been before actually, but I wasn't vlogging at that point, so didn't take my camera obviously. So yeah, it should be worth the €8 it takes to get in. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Well, probably tonight. I'll probably put some B-roll in or something. I don't know. But anyway, ciao for now. Hurt my knee climbing over these rocks, man. I love running over rocks, right? But it really takes its toll on your joints. Those of you who know about my knee issues will be hammering away in the comments, I'm sure. Yeah. Oh well, good day. That's a mad sunset, guys. This has been insane. This is beautiful. As Felix very aptly put it, this is some lying business.
Be careful, mate.
He could not be more right. Absolutely insane. Look at that. What a view. What a view. Oh, hello everyone. It's day 4 of the 4-day weekend. Me and Jess. We are off to Saint-Denis or Colonia to see turtles. That's the one. We're off to see turtles. Got a few bits and bobs to do there first. Jess got to go and see a tattoo guy. Yeah, but then should get some nice little photos of the little turtles. I've actually been before, but I didn't manage. Well, I didn't film at all. Yeah, they're insane. They're so cool. There's so much to see there. It's an awesome place. So hopefully, I mean, fingers crossed, everything will go to plan, because I mean, it never seems to go to plan ever. But how hard could it possibly be? Done it before. Fingers crossed. Hello again, it's me, still. We've just been and gone, well, hang on, no, we've just been and done Jess's tattoo bits and bobs. Got your tattoo all sorted, didn't you, Jess?
Yep.
Yep, happy days. That's good, so we're going to rumble on down to the turtle place, get some incredible footage of some wonderful animals. So I'll give you some kind of backstory for this place. It's basically a sanctuary for animals who've kind of got like plastic straws up their noses and stuff. Basically they've been injured in some way or put back in some way that they can't function in the wild. So the sanctuary takes them in, kind of rehabilitates them up to their natural health levels, and then they kind of release them back into the sea. So they've got all sorts of stuff there, you know, places where they learn to swim, all the rest of it. It's really quite sweet. There's more than just turtles there as well. It's a lovely place. Obviously I'll show you more when we get there. Alright, we're in the turtle place, guys. Literally walk straight in. We'll have to walk straight in. But the first thing you see is this. This wonderful exhibit about, I mean, it's in French, but it's plastic waste, basically. Basically saying that there's just stupid amounts of waste in it. It's unbelievable, but the rest of it is beautiful. Like, you know, we've got a whole lot of stuff ahead of us. We'll find somewhere interesting. Should we go to this place?
Yeah.
This is just kind of like the pool. I actually call it, you can actually see underneath. We'll go in a second, but this is it from the surface. At some point they must have had a shark in here. They've got eels and whatever this fish is. Anyone who's into fishing, get in the comments, but it's lovely. There's a turtle. Merry Christmas. Look at that. Try not to breathe. Beautiful creatures, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful. There's two down there. Don't know if you'll be able to see them. There's a fishy here. There's two fishies. They're incredible.
Three fish, one fish, two fish.
Yeah. That's insane. This is a make yourself like a tortoise thing. Jess is going to model for us. Beautiful. Damn, what a shell. That is quite the look. Yeah, the 360.
They should put me on Vogue.
For sure. Damn, that's turtle goals right there. Wow. Sorry. Guys, there's this thing here where you can compare yourself to some turtles, right? The size of them. I don't know about you guys, but turtles generally are kind of small, right? You know, fairly manageable. Even giant tortoises are smaller than a human, right? This guy. That's nuts, man. Imagine coming across one of them when you're diving. I'd freak. I'd be out of the water.
Don't say I love you is the hardest thing to say. Some say I love you is the hardest thing to say.
So we're in the kind of museum room now. One of the things that interests me the most is this. This is a harpoon. This is what they used to use, obviously, to hunt for turtles back in the day. That's what a legit harpoon is like. Look at that! How cool is that? There's a piece down here. It's such an amazing place for such a cool history. So here's some real life tortoise, guys. Tortuga. Oh, there's 3. No, yeah, there's 3. They climb over each other. They're faster than you think, you know. Oh, they're having a right old go. Jesus. Yeah, I'm not happy with him. Yeah, they're tipping him. Oh, they're getting pretty close. That's savage. Why would you do that, man? The final move. Come on. Yes, good defense, mate. Oh, wow. That's brave. Huh.
Oh.
Is that it? That's... So that's what it was. Well, there you go, guys. I guess that goes to show you never quite know what you're going to see when you walk out the house in the morning. See if the giant ones are going to come out to play. Oh my god, are you serious? They're at the back again. Look at that, just chilling in the corner. Oh, this guy's just... it's insane. But he's not having any of it. Absolutely done with tourists. Elephantine tortoise, or turtle. One of the biggest species of land turtles, although, oh there you go, it's in the sea. Yeah, seems to be pretty antisocial to me. Very cool nonetheless. If anyone out there, anyone watching this, thinks that plastic doesn't affect the turtles or any marine life, or that it's all a myth or anything, look, this is real. Okay, this is what they pull out of literally dead turtles. Okay, glitter. I don't even know what these are. Parts of crayons and stuff. And micro beads as well. Look at this. Oh god. Plastic fork found inside a turtle. Yeah? Lid. Full lid. String. You know? Okay, I don't even know what this stuff is, but it's plastic nonetheless. It's real, guys. Seriously. The same thing here. I mean, look at this. From a plastic bottle. Look at that. It's insane. Imagine having that in your stomach. Or that. Fishing lines. It's real, guys. It's heartbreaking. It really is. It doesn't need to happen, but it does. Yeah, it's heartbreaking. There we are. Yeah. So if anyone out there says it's not real, shouldn't it is real? That it is an issue. And that people are dying, because I'd like to see them swallow down to that plastic and survive. Terrible. Following off from the same point before, guys, this is, I'll show you in a minute, an autopsy they did of a turtle that came here. And again, the amount of plastic they took out of it, look at this. That entire Tupperware full. Not just like, filled up for the sake of show. That is genuinely rammed full of plastic for this autopsy of this poor turtle. Disgusting. Look at that. All that in one turtle. Bloody mine. Horrible, isn't it? Horrible. So, do what we can. Probably leave the links to charity or something below. This is just ridiculous. Look at that. That's the pool we were looking at earlier. All the turtles and stuff. And this is their artificial beach. So this is where they rehabilitate the turtles. Yeah, because they obviously don't want to put them back out in the wild again. So essentially, they give them a place to recreate, to hatch their eggs and kind of recreate the situation without the predators, so that they can ensure that the babies will be born. And if you look down here, you can see a little guy scooting about. And little swim's a few just down there. What an awesome place! Oh my god, and a paraglider. Might actually be going paragliding soon. Stay tuned. Very much in the pipeline. So subscribe to see more of that for sure. That'll definitely be on there. Yeah, awesome place. Absolutely insane. Like such a good thing to do, and also such a, you know, the good thing that they're doing, but also such a brilliant place to visit as tourists as well, to actually see what it's really like. So it's so lovely. A very rewarding day out, I think. So we're in this Creole restaurant, and it's just a takeaway kind of thing, but this is amazing. Look at this. Chinese roast pork, that looks incredible. Barbecue pork, that looks incredible. All of this looks incredible. You can get all sorts. You can even get Western food. There's insane, there's all sorts of stuff. I'm really, really stuck on what to go for, you know. I might go for some of these, you know. Put the block. Oh no, that's curry. There you go, you can get curry. He said, I'll have to go for a pepper and pork. But yeah, that's going to be incredible. Alright, so we went and got some, I've got a curry beef, which is national dish, I guess, somewhat. €5.50 for this absolutely banging bargain. Doesn't look like much, but I tell you what, I'm going to enjoy it, that's for sure. Have a little look at that. You tell me you wouldn't pay €5.50 for that. Happy Brad. Alrighty, that's the end of the vlog, everyone. I forgot to end it, but I'm sitting here editing it and realised it came to an end really abruptly. So I just want to thank anyone who actually made it this far. You know what to comment below. Type pancakes alive, something interesting to say you got to the end. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It took so long to film and edit, so I really hope it was worth it. But yeah, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment something interesting, have a ball. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another one. Cheers.
We'll be right back.